Hi, this is Crystal at the Rain Dance Ranch. We're looking at April 3rd. I did a little cleanup. It's weed season, so every week there seems to be some weeds popping up here and there, and trying to stay on top of it as much as possible. Didn't do a lot today, but I cleaned up some of the sad leaves on the coleus. Still no action. It's just sort of sitting there with some real slow growth. This stuff is just holding tight in those. Not a huge amount of growth on any of this stuff. The aloes are getting kind of big. I might move one of those soon. Threw some cuttings in over here. Pulled out some of the little succulent tapestries, succulents that I had thrown in over here. The Nanook really took over. We got some blooms on the geranium, but I did add some plants in here from the other side. And I'm really anxious for this stuff to grow in and become my nemesis. Where I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't keep this stuff under control. I can't wait for that. But hopefully that will start growing soon. We've got a baby coming up on Von Nuremberg over here. And I picked up this trellis thing. I thought it would be nice to kind of distract from the ugly. Now these pipes over here will be covered once these leaves come back in, but I would like to get some kind of pots here for the winter time that are kind of large that will mask that, but I don't know what I'm going to do yet, and I got to find the pots. So again, over here the Nanook is starting to flower up. Cleaned up the succulents that were right in there. Still got the chrysanthemum in there. Oh, I did add some of those chopsticks, and that Nanook I transplanted earlier, about a month ago. It's looking good. And I found, I don't remember if I had this in my last update, but I found this hanging, you can see the chain right there, metal hanging basket. It's pretty solid. If a basketball lands on that, everything under it will be fine. So I'm using that as a cloche, a garden cloche, and it's working out pretty good. And I'd like to see if I can find some more of those without spending a lot of money. Alright, so this is Sierra's front yard, the new temporary Rain Dance Ranch where I am living. Everything's just looking amazing. Just super happy. And oh look, this little cactus had some blooms on it. It might have some more coming out soon. We got little babies. I just really like that little cactus in there. Okay. Okay, signing out. Crystal, Chino, California, April 3rd, 2024. When it rains, go out and dance.